Hello and welcome to SolidCAD. Today we are going to make this simple part here. This is 100mm main extrusion here, Boss Extrude here, and 44mm is this another bore here, which is 4mm deep and 20mm offset from the center of this big boss. And this is this 60mm and 30mm inside bore, 50mm here and 21mm here, but this is 22mm height of this portion and 40mm both side. This is 40mm height in, and this is 110mm from center to center, and this is from this center, from the small circle, from this center to there is 127 and 51 degree. So let's start. I'll open a new file. On the top plane I will draw a sketch of 100. And I will draw another sketch here of 60mm and another sketch here of 30mm. I will draw a center line from center of this to center of this and make sure it is vertical. This is horizontal, sorry. And I will draw another line 20mm, and from this line I will draw a line here and give it a dimension of 127 mm, and I will draw another circle here of 50mm and one more circle here of 21mm, like so. There is a 51 degrees, sorry, and I will connect these with the line from here to somewhere there, and from there to tangent to this. I will draw another line from here to tangent to this, and another line from here to tangent to this. Let me check. This is tangent, this is also tangent, and there is a 12mm radius here. I will give it a radius of 12mm, this and this, like so. Okay, this is 12mm radius here, and this must be, this and this should be tangent, this and this should be tangent, like so, and also this one and this one is also tangent, already tangent there. I will give it a dimension from here to here is 100mm and 127. The sketch is fully defined. Now I will offset it, offset 10mm, like so, and offset this, offset inside, offset this inside, like so. I will trim the extra with power trim. Like so. Everything is defined. Control Z, sorry. This is 10 millimeter. All is 10 millimeter here. Let me trim these two also with power trim. And this the sketch is fully defined. I will extrude selected contours, only this and this and this mid plane is 40 millimeter, like so. These are two separate bodies. I will go for and sketch this, and I will extrude it again. Extrude only this one, mid plane 22 millimeter, like so. I will wake up this again and extrude this, this, and I will make this mid plane and 20 millimeter, like so. This is done. On this surface I will draw a sketch of 40 millimeter. I will draw a sketch of 40 millimeter radius. It means 80 millimeter dia, and I will draw another sketch here of 44 millimeter dia and give it a relation of 20 millimeter, like so, and give it the horizontal relationship. I will trim the extra one. I will draw a line from center of this to here and offset it bidirectional 5 millimeter, like so. I will trim the extra. And make this, I will make this line there are some more to trim here and trim there. Sketch is fully defined, and I will give this 5 millimeter radius all over, radius of 5 millimeter. I will select all, like so, and this is done. Everything is clear here. This 5 millimeter, this 5 millimeter, total 10 millimeter, radius is 5 millimeter here, and this is 44, this is 80 millimeter. I will make it radius so it will be as per drawing. Let me hide the shaded view so it will clear everything. Let me cut it through. Sorry, I have to do it again. Let me draw a line, a circle here of 50 millimeter. Let me draw 50 millimeter, like so. This is actually the radius required here. I will trim this one and this one, I will trim this and this also. I will delete these. I will delete all these and extend it like so. I don't need to extend it, but let me do it. I will fillet it. 5 mm already given. Like so. Now it is good as per drawing. 5 mm radius is 50 mm here dia, and 5 mm radius already there, and 10 is here. Let me cut it. Cut through all. Through all. This one and this one. 2 regions. Like so. I will draw a sketch here. I will give it a dimension 44 mm and make this and this horizontal. This is 44 and let me give it a dimension here of 20 mm. Like so. I will cut it up to 4 mm. Okay. And I will mirror this piece up to top plane, with the top plane. Features to mirror this one, like so. Okay, this is done. On this surface I will draw a circle of 30 mm for construction. Okay, and I will draw some 6 mm dia, and I will circle pattern it. I will delete this point and give it this point and make it 7, like so. Let me drag it a bit. Let me drag it to there, and now everything is fully defined. And let me cut it through all, like so. This is done. Now I will wake this up again and cut extrude this and this region up to 5 mm. Let me I will draw circle sketch here and offset these and convert these entities. Convert, and I will trim the extra one which I don't need. Like so. Now I will give it a fillet of 5 mm, this and this and this, like so. Now I will cut it. Okay, I will cut it up to 5 millimeter, like so. This is done. I will mirror it. I will select these and the top plane and mirror it on the other side. Okay, this is done. All we need is a fillet here of 2 millimeter. Fillet 2 millimeter. This and this, and this one, like so. Everywhere there are fillets, and this also there are fillets. Now I don't need this fillet. Let me delete all these. Clear selection. I will select this. I will select this, and this. It's okay. Now the fillets are complete. I will give them a color to distinguish, like red or blue. I will give it red so it will look better. This is done. The part is complete. There's nothing more to do. I will give it material 61. This, apply, close. This is the part which we have done in SolidWorks with these simple 2D drawings. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.